so I can share with you later. Yeah. So B should be the correct answer. Let's go to question number 2, students. Let's go to question number 2. Is there anyone who disagree with me? Is there anyone? Yeah, no,
No.
yeah. Rahil is very
No, no,
confused.
no.
You are
No.
correct, sir.
Who, who says no? Fayyad, is it Sahim Fayyad?
No, I
I
didn't.
say yes.
Okay.
No.
I hope everyone, Mhm. I hope everyone agrees with me. Now, question number 2. B is the correct answer. Question number 2. If Pawan has baseball practice every 4th day in the month of March, every 4th day in the month of March, starting with March 1, then what date will be his last day of practice for the month? Last day of practice. Okay, so you have practice on every 4th day in the month of March. Every 4th day. So
March 1. Huh?
every 4th day. So first day we have practice, then we have every 4th day. 29, someone says 29, March 29. Who says March 29? It is
31st.
Afif. Afif, Afif, follow me if I'm correct. So on the first day we have practice again. 1, 2, 3. This is the day we are going to have practice
Sir,
again.
it's March
Then
29.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is where we are going to have practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is where we are going to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I saying it right, Afif?
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to like mark on the 4th day. The counting of the last of
That's
the
Yes,
that's
so
what I'm
March.
doing. Oh, so I see that March 29th is the last day of practice. The next practice will be
Oh,
on
that's
April.
correct.
On April. So
Yes.
March 29th is the last day of practice for the month of March. Okay, so we understand this. So we understand this. I can see answers. March 28th. Someone said March 28th. Nope, sir. Please correct yourself. If you're saying March 28th, please correct yourself. Please look at my working. Ryan, can you follow me now?
Yes.
Ryan Rafiq. Please understand that the answer should be March 29th. Answer B. Next, question number 3. Komal built a birdhouse at summer camp. Okay, it's a birdhouse. What shape is the piece of wood that was cut out to make the door of her birdhouse? What? Komal built a bird. What piece of what shape
Circle.
was
See.
cut out?
Circle.
Oh, it's a very easy
Circle.
question. It should be
What is
circle.
the question?
Please, students, rather than saying the answer, it is better if you write the answer so that there are less disturbance. Less disturbance. I am checking your answer. I am checking your answer. How would the given block model look from the top? How would the given block model look from the top? So we have a block model here. If you look from the top, how will it look like? If you look from the top, how will it look like?
It should be A, I think. I think it should be A.
If you look at
A.
Yeah, if you look at the top,
A.
you're going to see one square, and in middle, you are going to see 2 square. So the top view will give us 4 blocks like this. So the answer should be A for an apple.
Now it becomes
Okay, I have got so many right answers. I have got so many right answers from Ryan, Rahil, Yashfa, Rahil,
Oh my God, stop spamming
Afif.
it.
Yeah.
Stop
All right.
spamming.
They're just giving A.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Do not repeat the
Oh my
answers.
God, 43 messages in 1
Silence.
minute.
Silence.
Stop.
Someone is just writing the same answer again and again. Please don't do it. Number 5. Tina shades in 3 parts. Now we have a mathematical reasoning. Tina shades in 3 parts of a game board. What fraction of the game board is shaded? 1, 2, 3 out of 6. That's the easiest one. That's the easiest one. 3 out of 6 is shaded. Oh, this was a very
3
easy
by
version.
6, sir.
Yes, 3 by 6. Yes. What is the standard form? What is the standard form of 7,000 plus 8,000 plus 20 plus 5. So we're going to add
B.
this up.
Sir,
So this
B.
should be equal to 7,825. 7,825. Okay. So this one was also easy. Okay. So this one, let's check this one. 8 into 9 is equal to dash plus 9. We know that 8 into 9 is equal to 72. So
Yes.
dash plus 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 72 minus 18. What is the answer? Is that a 54? Is
Then
that a
how is it
54.
minus?
54.
Sir, how is it minus?
Because let's say on the left hand side you have 72. On the right hand side you have a 9 plus 9, 18. What do I place in this empty space? So 72 minus 18, I'm left with 54. So I can place a 54 here. Can you follow me, Ryan, now? Ryan Hassan?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So we do a subtraction to find it. Tanya started watching television at 8:47 p.m. Okay, so 8:47 p.m. She decided to go to bed 1 hour 40 minutes later. 1 hour 40 minutes later. At what time did she go to bed? So now follow me here. 1 hour 40 minutes. So let's draw a line
Sir,
here.
1 minute.
Let's draw a line here. So here we have 8:47. 8:47. If I go 13 minutes, that will be equal to 9 o'clock. And then if I go another 1 hour, that is 10 o'clock. I am going to bed 1 hour 40 minutes later. So here I have 13 minutes and I have 1 hour. So 1 hour, 13 minutes gone. How many minutes left? 40 minus 13, we have 27 minutes left. So from 10, another 27, the answer will be 10:27. Can you follow me, students? So I'm dividing the problem here, students. I'm dividing the problem so that it is easier for us. Let me show you the method once again. Let me show you the method once again. It's an easy problem, but I want to show you again. Let us erase this stuff. Let us erase this stuff. Okay. So we have a number line here. So we start from 8:47. I'm going to bed 1 hour 40 minutes later. Okay. From 47, if you add 13 minutes, please understand, from 87, if you add 13 minutes, that makes you 9 o'clock. 8:47 plus 13 minutes, 9 o'clock. Acha. Then we go for another 1 hour. That is 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock. Now we have already passed 1 hour 13 minutes. How many minutes left? 40 minus 7, 40 minus 13. We are left with 27. So from 10 o'clock, if I go for another 27 minutes, then it will be 10:27. So I'm going to sleep at 10:27. Correct answer should be equal to A. A for an apple. Can you follow me, students?
Yes.
Next, question number 9, students. Question number 9. Students, you are sending me too many messages, sir. I cannot check so many messages. Please do not do that. Please do not do that. Okay. Question number 9. The product of a number and 6 is 240. What is the meaning of product? Who can tell me? Product?
I forgot.
Multiplication.
Yeah.
Multiplication.
Very
The multiplication.
Silence, silence, everyone. You are all talking at the same time. Yeah, I understand. Because I have asked the question very generally, so everyone is supposed to answer. Thank you very much. So product means multiplication. Acha. If product means multiplication, the product of a number and 6 is 240. 6 multiplied by what is equal to 240? How can I find that number? We can divide 240 by 6. We can divide 240 by 6, and the answer that I'm getting is 40. The answer that I'm getting is 40. So the answer should be 40. 40 is multiplied with 6 to make it 240. 40 is multiplied with 6 to make it 240. So the answer should be, the number is everyday mathematics. Sarah and 3 of her friends together made a poster.
Sir,
I didn't
understand number 9.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Follow me here. The question says, what is your name again?
Yes, sir.
Yashpa. Follow me again, sir. The product of a number and 6 is 240. So we have a number. If I multiply 6 with it, I will get 240. Please understand that product means multiplication. Product means multiplication. So a number is multiplied with 6. So that the answer is 240. A number is multiplied with 6. The question is, what is that number? How can I find that number? One technique will be, we can divide 240 by 6 and we can find that number. We can divide 240 by 6 and we can easily find that number. So the division says the answer is 40. The answer is 40. Please understand that 40 multiplied by 6 is equal to 240. 40 multiplied by 6 is equal to 240. Check this out. 6 zeros are 0, 6 fours are 24. Yes, 40 multiplied by 6 is equal to 240. So the answer should be 40. Can you follow me now, Yashpa?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Let's go to the next problem. Let us go to the next problem. Question number 10. Sarah and 3 of her friends made a poster together. They drew 8 rows of square with 6 squares in each row. So we have 8 rows. How many rows do I have? 8 rows. 8 rows. Where can I draw these 8 rows? Achha. Let me do it here. 8 rows. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 rows. And in each row, there are 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. How many squares did Sarah and her friends draw on the poster? So we have
Sir,
8
48.
rows. We have 8
48.
rows, and in each row we have 6.
48. 48.
So the answer should be 48.
A.
Sarah and her friends.
Multiplication.
Simple multiplication. 3rd grade students went to a theater in 8 buses. Each bus took 45 students. How many students went to the theater? So one bus we have 45. In 8 buses, it will be 45 multiplied by 8. And the answer is?
360.
The answer is 360. The answer should be B. The answer should be? Yes, sir. A class collected 714 box tops. How many do I have here? 714. Which number represents 714? Are you kidding me? This is the easiest one.
B. B. B.
Yes,
B.
sir.
B. B.
Yeah.
B.
Very easy.
All right.
It's B.
Sir, silence everyone. No talking without raising hand. I'm gonna mute you all if you talk like this. Please, silence. Mute all. Okay, next question. Number 13. If Rizwan sells 479 eggs each day, then how many eggs will he sell in a week? So 479 each day. How many in a week? In a week, we have 7 days. So it should be 479. No talking. No talking, please. 7 into 9 is 63. 3 carries 6. 7 sevens are 49 plus 6, that is equal to 55. We have 5 carry. 7 fours are 28 plus 5, that is equal to 33. So the answer should be 3353. 3553. Okay, now achievers section. This one looks a little tricky. Look at the given number bond. Look at the given number bond. Q is 1 more than P. Q is 1 more than P. Then P plus Q will be equal to what? Oh, this is a good question. So we have 3 multiplied by 5. So this is equal to 15. 6 multiplied by something and 5 multiplied. So we can try with the options. We can try with the options. Acha, then what is P plus Q? If I consider that P plus Q is equal to 1, if I consider P plus Q equals to 1, then what I have done is I have considered P equals to 0 and I have considered Q equals to 1. Because the question says Q is 1 more than P. The question says Q is 1 more than P. So I have considered Q equals to 1 and P equals to 0. So P plus Q is equal to 0 plus 1. But if I put it here, please students, let me finish. If I put P is equal to 0 and if I put Q equals to 1, then it does not match because 15, 6 into 0 is 0. Oh, it doesn't make 64. So number A is not correct. So let's try with the next one, students. Let's try with the next one. Let's say P plus Q is equal to 16. If I consider P plus Q is equal to 16, then what can P be equal to and what can Q be equal to? If I make 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 8 is 15. I'm not getting 16. 7 plus 8 is 15. Can I make 6 plus 7? No. Can I make
Sir,
8 plus
7
9?
plus
No.
9.
No,
7
so
plus 9.
we cannot go 7 plus 9 because the question says Q is 1 more than P. Q is 1 more than P. You cannot make Q 2 more. So P is equal to 7, Q equals to 8. That is equal to 15. Oh, this combination does not work. So just stop it. We have had 20. Oh, I am very sorry, students. I'm very sorry. I am very sorry because I was checking the answer of 15 for number 14.
That
I'm
is
extremely
14.
sorry.
That is 14.
So we have 5 here, Acha. If I say 5 here, then P can be equals to 2 and Q can be equals to 3. So it fulfills the condition that Q is 1 more than P and P plus Q equals to 5. So if I place a 2 here and if I place a 3 here, let's see what happens. 3 5s are 15, 6 2s are 12, 3 5s are 15. If I add this stuff, this is not equal to 68. So this combination is not working. This combination is not working also. So forget about it. Let's go to the next one. 6. 6. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. I cannot make 6. How can I make 6? That is impossible. So let's forget about this. C
What
number.
is
Okay.
math?
Okay. 9. If I say P plus Q is equal to 9, then P is equal to 4 and Q equals to 5 because the question says Q is 1 more than P. Q is 1 more than P. Okay, let's see. If I put a 4 here and if I place a 5 here, then I have 6, 3 5s are 15, 6 4s are 24, and 5 5s are 25. And if I add this stuff, 15 plus 24 plus 25, and that is equal to 64. So the correct answer should be D. The correct answer should be D. D for Dhaka. Can you follow me, students? Yes? You can give me a
It's
response.
just multiplication.
Sorry?
Isn't it just multiplication? You have to
Yeah,
do it.
we have
Right?
multiplication. We also have addition. Ryan, try to
Yeah.
follow me here. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. And here we have 6 into P. So let's say P equals to 4. 6 into 4 is 24. Then you have Q into 5. I have considered Q as 5. 5 into 5 is 25. Please check that we have an addition in between the branches. We have an addition in between the branches. So you have to add these branches. So 15 plus 24 plus 25, that is equal to 64. The correct answer is 9. P plus Q is equal to 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Are we good, students?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go to the next problem. Let's go to the next
Oh, yes. Now I get it. Yeah, the addition part. Yeah.
problem. Yeah. Find the value of star. We have to find the value. Acha, a square plus another square is equal to 6. So I can say that one of the square is equal to
6
6.
plus 6.
So
A
Six
square plus
six
square
plus-
is equal to 12. Therefore, one of the square should be equal to 6. Please understand the square should be equal to 6. Acha, now
Yeah.
a circle plus a square is equal to 17. I know that the square is
So the
equal to
certain
6.
values of
The
circle
circle
is
has to be
11.
11. The circle should be equal to 11 because 11 plus 16 gives us 17. Okay. Now, the circle minus moon is equal to 9. I know that the circle is equal to 11. So the moon should be equal to 2. So that we have 11 minus 2 is equal to 9. Please understand that the moon is equal to 2. The moon is equal to 2. All right. That's nice. Then we have star. Then we have a star. Now the star is equal to moon multiplied by the circle minus the square. I know moon is equal to 2. The circle is equal to 11. The square is equal to 6. So first we are going to do the multiplication. Please remember the BODMAS rule. Multiplication and division first, addition and subtraction next. Multiplication and division first, addition and subtraction comes next. So 2 into 11, that is equal to 22. And then we subtract 6 from here. 22 minus 6, I am getting 16. I'm getting 16. The answer should be B. B for Bangladesh. That's it, students. Okay. Now,
Okay,
for
okay.
these students, we have the answers. We can check the answer. 1B, 2B, 3C, 1B, 2B, 3C. Then we have 4A, 5A, 6B, 4A, 5A, 6B. Then we have 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, 7A, 8A, 9A, 10A, 11B, 12B, then D, D, B. B, B, D, D, and D. So all are correct. No problem with this. Okay, students?
Now we
So
are
this
gonna go
was,
to the next one, right?
so we have done the first sample worksheet. We have done the first sample worksheet. Now, let's go to the second sample worksheet. Before going into the second sample worksheet, students, I think this is our last class before the math challenge. I don't think we are going to have any more classes.
Yeah.
In that case,
Well,
I'm
you
going
said
to.
there is a
Sorry?
question like at the last classes worksheet. You told that you're gonna find a 3D diagram of that shape.
Yeah. I
You
remember
couldn't
about
find it?
the Rubik's Cube thing. I did not find
Yeah.
an image of a 4 into 5 cuboid, so it was difficult for me to do that, but I'll try to see today. Okay, see if I will do a
You
real,
can
I will do
show
a,
a image of the Rubik's cube.
yeah, but the Rubik's cube are usually 4 into 4, but here we
But
have a, if
there
you
is a
look at,
4 into 5.
yeah,
There
we
are
have a
lots of.
4 into 5 Rubik's cube. If you look at the question here, can you see the worksheet here?
Yeah.
Can you see that I'm scrolling?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think
So yeah, this was the problem. So 4 into 5, this is a 4 into 5 Rubik's cube. I couldn't find a 4 into 5 Rubik's cube so far, so that's why I was struggling. But I'll try to see if I can find.
you
I'll
can
do a.
see for the triangle. There is a triangle cube. There are 4.
All right, students. So we are done with this sample worksheet. Okay, let's go to the next worksheet. Let's go to the next worksheet. Sample worksheet 4. Let's see how easy is this one. Let's see how easy is this one. Okay.
This is also science study.
Logical reasoning. Logical reasoning. What is the rule for this? Can everyone follow me?
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. What is the rule for this number pattern? 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120. 1, 1, 2, 6, 24, 120.
I think the answer is D. Multiple.
Please write your answer in the chat box. Think carefully and write your answer in the chat box.
Sir, I think the answer is D.
Add 0, then add 1, then add 2, and so on. I do not agree with that.
Infinite. No, that's not.
Multiply by 1, then multiply by 2, then multiply by 3, then multiply by 4. Yeah, that's the answer. So we have here multiplied by 1. Now we have multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 4s are 24. 24 5s are 120. 120 into 6. The next one should be 120 multiplied by 6, 720. Although we are not supposed to find the next one, but we have understand the pattern. The pattern is multiply by 1, then multiply by 2, then multiply by 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. I have seen many right answers. Yes, Diane. Yes, you can leave. I will share the video with you. Okay. So question number 1, answer should be B. Let's go to question number 2. There are 4 figures out of which 3 are same in some way, while 1 is different from the rest. 1 is different from the rest. Find out the different figure. Oh, this is tricky. I can figure out.
Figures out of which 3 are same in.
Number
Sir,
2.
it is D.
One is different from the rest.
Number 2, D. Okay, so I can
Sir,
see that
it is D.
Noor, please, Afif and Imtaz, Ayman. Okay, I want to ask Noor, why do you say D is the correct answer?
Sir, D is the
Why?
correct answer because, well, all the others, if you just turn them anyway, they are the same. But D, there is another line instead of having
Yes.
3 lines.
Very good, sir. Very good. In D, we have something extra like this, which is not present. Oh, it is present in A. Check this. Please check carefully. Yes, Noor, again, what are you trying to say? Oh, that is not present in A. We don't have A. I'm sorry. I am sorry. So D is the different one. D is the different one. In question number D, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. In all of them, there are 4 lines. So yes, if you look at the diagram carefully, the puzzle will be solved. Question number 3. Let's go to question number 3. Count the number of straight lines in the given figure. How many straight lines do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
20, sir.
20.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 20.
Yeah.
Question number 3. If a certain code monkey is coded as Yeknom, okay, so it's just reversed. Monkey, Yeknom.
Like,
Then
what is
how
the-
is Monica coded in that language? Monica will be Akinom. Akinom.
how, sir? How is it?
you just
You're just reversing it. See, monkey, is written as Yeknom,
Oh,
which is just
yeah.
reversed. So Monica, if you
Okay.
reversed it, it will be AKINOM, Akinom, which is BB
Yes.
for Bangladesh.
What a name.
Yes.
B for Bangladesh.
Sounds like a Japanese name, isn't it?
Yes.
Which number lies in all the three figures? Which number lies in all the three figures? 1 lies only on the triangle, 2 is in the triangle and circle. Oh, it's easy. 4. 4 lies in
Four,
all
sir.
the three figures. We have a
Sir, it's
triangle,
4.
we have a
Yes.
rectangle, we have a
4.
circle. 4 lies in
I
all
just-
the three numbers.
I just recognized that. It's 4.
Yeah.
4.
Let's go to
Why is
mathematical reasoning.
everyone
It's
spamming
like in the
C?
middle of all the
Especially
three.
Tadmin.
It's like middle of the.
So number 6. Number 6. Number 6 says we have a square like this multiplied by 4 is equal to triangle. Oh, not triangle, star. Square like thing, diamond, we can say it a diamond. A diamond multiplied by 4 is equal to a star, and star minus the diamond is equal to 330. Ooh. Then star plus diamond is equal to what? This is a good question. This is a good question. Number 6. Did anyone give me answer? Number 6. Star, diamond multiplied by 4 is equal to star. So 1 star is equal to 4 diamond.
Diamond.
1 star is equal to 4 diamond. So then a star. So we have a star multiplied by subtract diamond. Remember that a star is equal to 4 diamond. Please follow me here. A star is equal to 4 diamond. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you agree with me? Because the question says a diamond times 4 is equal to star. This means a star is equal to 4 diamonds. Do you understand me here? Now the question says, please follow me very carefully. Question says the star minus diamond is equal to 330. So I know that a star is equal to 4 diamond. From 4 diamond, if I subtract 1 diamond, I will be left with 3 diamond. I will be left with 3 diamond. And the question says this 3 diamond is